Step into the world of adventure with our 2022 Hyundai Santa Cruz Ultimate, proudly brought to you by Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals, Canada's huggable car dealer. This all-wheel drive vehicle is not just a truck, it's your new travel companion that guarantees comfort and safety on every journey. Our well-maintained and affordable used vehicle comes with a factory warranty for added assurance. But that's not all. We also offer our exclusive 12-month huggable guarantee for extra peace of mind. Featuring a sunroof, navigation system, luxurious leather seats with heating and cooling options, remote start, 360 camera for maximum visibility, blind spot detection, and a hard tonneau cover. This truck has it all. Plus, we've added aftermarket 20-inch wheels, tires, and even included stock wheels with like-new winter tires. With full financing options available and zero down payment required, why wait? Come to Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals today or call us at 506-459-6832 to make this huggable vehicle yours. To enhance safeguarding, we've included the CatStrap catalytic converter theft deterrent at no additional charge on this vehicle. CatStrap has a remarkable 99.75% success rate in preventing converter theft, based on real-world results from over 50,000 vehicles over 10 years.
We'll give you a hug because we love ya. You're a customer and that's the way.